Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Time for Tippet Tuesdays. So, as open enrollment is fast approaching, starts November 1, so that's almost here. I want to remind people about what you need to look for and check for once you do enroll in insurance. Had a lot of issues this year. Well, first we know Ascension, got hacked, and then their auto pay was down. I always enroll people in auto pay so they don't have to worry about it. But when you are enrolled in insurance, you need to make sure it is your responsibility to make sure you're checking your email for any notices the insurance company sends you. Sometimes they will mail paper notices as well. But even if I've set up auto pay, you need to make sure the payment comes out every month. It comes out usually the very last week of the month, every month for the next month. So even if you don't balance your statement or don't balance your credit card statement, you need to check it and make sure the payment went through. Because the insurance company will only give you a 30-day grace period. That's all they're required to give you, other than an initial enrollment. A lot of times that will be 90 days if you've never had coverage before. But, if you're receiving a tax credit, sometimes I've seen it go for 2 months, but generally speaking, 30 days is the grace period. So if your payment is due November 1st, that payment should come out the very end of October, and you only have until November 30th to make November's payment, or your insurance will cancel. It will not be reinstated because failure to make payment is not a qualifying event. So be on the lookout for that. Even if you're unsure, check your portal mid-month to see if it shows you have a zero balance. That's another way you can do it. Set a reminder in your phone. On the 15th of the month, go into your insurance and make sure that the payment came out, that you're current. Because, yes, Ascension got hacked and all the mess that created. But sometimes payments decline for various reasons. Maybe your credit card got hacked and you forgot to update your credit card. Or maybe you had insufficient funds in your bank account, so the payment didn't go through and you didn't realize it. So there's a lot of different reasons a payment cannot go through. And having insurance is very important. It's just like you want to make sure your car payment and your house payment are gone through, and they do send notices just like the insurance does. But if you don't ever check your email or check your mail, I've got people that never check either email or mail. It just blows me away. I am OCD, but still, you should be at least looking at the bank statement or the credit card statement to confirm all the charges are correct. And if you're doing that, you need to make sure that your payment comes out. I cannot help you if you fail to make your payment before the 30 days. There is nothing I can do to enroll you in coverage on the marketplace plans. The carriers will not allow it. The marketplace will not allow it. And if you don't qualify for any kind of self-employed plan, there's nothing we can do until open enrollment. I've had unfortunately, too many people have their coverage canceled because there was either some confusion or they just, I get it. Everyone's busy, but this is important. So the one thing I will tell you, make sure whatever coverage you sign up for, you log in, create your portal, so you have access to your portal. And that's one place that you can check to make sure your payment has gone through. Make sure if anything changes that you update that information. And I'm looking forward to helping all of you during open enrollment starting next week. Until then, peace out.